welcome back to my channel. I'm Brooke, and today I'm going to be doing my first unboxing. And this video, this part that you're watching right here, is a part one. There's going to be two parts in the same video because I don't want to upload one unboxing after the other because I'm going to be getting some other books in soon. But I just can't wait to open these because I'm an impatient person. So let's get with the unboxing. So here is my box. Got my handy dandy pocket knife because why not? Oh no. I'm always so scared I'm gonna cut like the books or something. Oh no. Alright, papers. Coupons. Sheet of paper that says what I got. Okay, I'm excited. Alright. So, the first book in this box is The Elite by Kiera Cass. And just so you know, all of these books are going to be by Kiera Cass because, yeah. And I also got, I think this one comes next. Oh no. Focus, fam. Focus. The Wine by Kiera Cass. Followed by The Air by Kiera Cass. Words are hard, I'm sorry. And then The Crown. Jesus. The Crown by Kiera Cass. And then The Siren by Kiera Cass. And this one's not in the selection series, but I was like, I love the way she wrote the first book, so why not get another one? So The Elite is on my June TBR because I recently finished the selection and I cannot wait to get started on the next book. So I'm excited. That's about it for this unboxing. It's all just Kiera Cass books, the selection series, and the Siren book. And my next unboxing will hopefully make this video. I don't know. My next unboxing. No. Stay tuned for the next unboxing. Hi guys, and I'm going to be doing the second part of my unboxing today, and this is from Amazon, and it's another series. And here are the books. Alright, let's get in this box. These boxes are a lot harder to get in than they look. Oh. Haha. Percy Jackson and the Olympian series. Alright, it's a box set, so it has all 5 books. And they create a picture, which is super cool. I'm actually going to open this up. And it says it also has a bonus poster of artwork. So that'll be cool. Now it's out of the nice shiny packaging. Let's take a look at the first book. Gosh. Alright. Percy Jackson and the Olympians, the Lightning Thief. I love these covers. Like they're fierce. Sea of Monsters. The Titan's Curse. Oh, this one's cool. Percy looks so little. I mean, I don't remember. I've read the first book before. I don't remember how old he is. He's like 14? I don't know. Ooh, the Battle of the Labyrinth. That's actually kind of scary. Alright. And then The Last Olympian. Alright, I think my friend said this is her favorite, so we'll see. Let's see, it's got this poster. Okay, this poster is little. Oh, that's cool. It's like all of the book covers like melded into one cool little poster. That's cool. I'm gonna have to find a spot to hang that. Or I can give it to my friend. That would be cool too. Nice gesture, but let's see if I can get this where you can see better. Isn't that cool? Okay. That's it. Only got that with this Amazon order. But alright, that's my first unboxing. That was fun. Yeah, alright. Till next time. Bye guys.